guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, this is a hair review. I am reviewing Melanin Doll Company hair. If you don't know this company, this is a black owned company and I really wanted to support black owned companies, so that's why I decided to buy hair from this company. And also, while doing my research, I didn't see that they had a lot of reviews on YouTube or Instagram, so I wanted to try them and to give you guys, you know, a good company that y'all could buy from if you're looking for weave or to make wigs or whatever you need, extensions, whatever. So the first thing I want to talk about is the shipping. So on the website it says 7 to 10 days business days, and when I was looking at some YouTube videos reviews for this company, they did say that their shipping took long, but I was like, nah, I really want to try this company, and I was just being very hopeful that it would have reached in time because I am in Trinidad and my mom was going to Miami at the time that I bought the hair, and I bought it the week before she even left Trinidad, and she was in Miami for like about 10 days. No, not 10 days, approximately a week, probably 9-8 days. So I was like, okay, even if it takes 7 to 10 business days, it's going to reach in time. And unfortunately it did not reach in time, so I had to wait until my mom's friend came down to Trinidad and she brought it for me. So yeah, I was kind of disappointed about the shipping, that it took so long, because I've never ordered anything and it took so long to reach, especially something that is kind of expensive. This hair was not cheap, even though I bought it when they were having a sale. It's still, you know, when you convert US to TT, it's expensive. So I would have hoped that it would have reached faster, but it didn't. So I don't have the box that the hair came in because, as I said, my mom's friend brought it for me and she didn't want to pack the box and all that because that's just taking up extra space. If you not living in the States and you go to States and shop, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So the hair came in this drawstring bag, you know, that's pretty cool. I've never really had like bought hair and it came in all this fancy packaging. It also came with this book. It just shows you what they have to offer, how to take care of the hair. So I got Burmese tight curls, and it tells you the recommended products to use in this hair and how to maintain the hair. So this book is really helpful. It's cute. And then they also give you this, like, I guess, business card, and then a thank you note, so that's pretty cool. So onto the hair, that's what we really want to see. So I got a 16-inch frontal. I thought that it was kind of weird that the frontal, the lace on the frontal has this weird like orange green, dark green kind of thing going on. I've never seen lace like that, maybe, and I'm not experienced enough in weave, but I've never seen a lace like this color before. I don't think the hairline is pre-plucked, but it's a pretty nice hairline. It has some baby hair, so I'm assuming it's like semi kind of plucked, but I'm gonna pluck it some more when I make my wig. The hair is really soft. It has a very pungent smell. Like, I don't know why it smells like weave, because weave has a particular smell, but this smell is very strong. I know, like, I'm gonna have to real wash this hair because it's real strong. So yeah, I got a 16-inch frontal, 8 to 18 inches to 18 inch, and then a 16. This one is open. I took it out of the pack because I wanted to feel the hair. It's really soft. Another thing that I noticed is that the bundle is pretty thick, and all the bundles are really heavy. Like, I've never bought a bundle and it was so heavy and so thick. Like, I've never seen so many bands. Well, the wefts, I never saw it so big. So I really like that. This is the first time I'm going to try to make a wig with 3 bundles on a frontal. Usually I make it with 2 bundles on a frontal, but I really want it to be big and thick, so I tried to get 3 bundles. So all in all, I paid I think I paid around 200. It was 200 US, but that's after discount because they had a sale. So yeah, I think they have a sale going on right now also, and it's pretty cheap. It's like 55. It's like 55 US for a bundle, depending on what you buy, obviously. But yeah, I really like the hair. I am going to dye the hair and then make a wig, and I will be making a video on that. This is just basically my first impressions and unboxing, technically, even though I'm not really unboxing. But yeah, I just wanted to share this hair with you guys. So far the hair seems nice. I mean, I haven't really done anything with it, but just looking at it, you can tell like it's really good quality, and I love that how thick it is. I didn't like how the shipping took long, but I mean, it's okay. Like, I still want to support them because they're black owned. So yeah, that's it for this video. I guess pretty short and simple and sweet, and I'll see you guys in my next one. My next one should be me dyeing this hair, so we're gonna see how well it holds up to bleaching and coloring. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.